Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use the new location sharing feature on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Now we will be in the home section. Right now, from this section, go ahead, tap on this chat icon on the top right corner. And now go ahead, choose a chat or message with whom you would like to share your location. So let's say this is the person I would like to share my location to. Now I'm going to tap on this message icon and tap on this plus icon. Now I have this option of location on top right. I'm going to tap on the location, and now it will show share your location. I can choose to simply pinpoint like that, or the direction. Once I have had the pinned location, I can also simply go ahead and change according to my need. Once I'm done, I can also type in to find a place. So when you have pinpointed your location accordingly, you can tap on send pinned location and your location will be sent. That person can directly tap on your location to check it out further. They can tap on this view and you can also unsend it if you want. That is how you can use it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.